Ja, tikituatsi tsingakut qaanamingaanniit umiarsuarmut MS te amaka piarerput tamattaannanniutilerluta te anuani piarilutlorukakka aqqarataqut te piarerlarnarput Ja.
A little bit around the ship, so just to show you what our guests are experiencing during the voyage. And then we're also going to invite you to the bar, maybe have some cookies and maybe a hot chocolate or a nice drink. How does that sound?
Sounds very good.
Where the guests go before they come outside, it's used as a storage, as you can see. So we have our rubber boots, which we need most of the time for our landings. So we're going to start first on the top. I'm going to take you to deck 11 and we have a walk around the ship. We use the elevator, but please stick together as one group and then just follow me. So we can put some of you in here.
Get to the top,
just wait for me, okay? I'll come with the rest of the group. All right? Can we get 2 more? Okay, we go to the next one, yeah? Look that way. It's very good view. Yeah.
Yes. Hi. Oi. No. Open.
Looks like the stores.
Oi. No. Sauna. Ayo, ay kikini. Yes. Wow.
I'll show you the best part.
Yes, non hoktago ar karpakput. Wala pizza nakpa biya ko. Oi. Oi. Agat. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I've
meet you.
seen a lot of your
TikToks.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I follow you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. I Korean. To how much? Oi.
A little bit of relaxing. This is seawater, but warmed up. It's nice temperature. Very hot. Icebergs.
Hey.
I still have your picture.
Yeah, attitude. No, not that. I go me Mario.
Mama.
Here, I have your picture.
Ôi, bên ngoặc tập khi nào qasseriarnarali kiveqtarlugi kaaliittaqassin at oi Ah. Now.
Wildlife watching, nice views.
Ay. Hey. Oi. Mama. Kahit na kayo. Kahit na kayo.
Oi, tämä pitää jalka.
Saunartukhaarati. Saunamunguarkeerput. Oi, kiartuhua. Kehkiarriugun. Ai. Sauna. Ai, with the view. Hey.
Igo kena anak.
Very strong.
Ai.
Nei mani ayu.
Yeah. Very good. Ah, yes, thank you.
The bar. You want some cookies?
Cookies.
Cookies. Okay. No, here cookies. This way. Please, you mind going forward?
And get moving more.
Yeah, you can go for the bar. How do you say fire?
Ikut detok. Norway. Te mahtungan skermita kan.
We have hot chocolate. Oi,
Sama deketin.
He's a famous blogger. You can picture him.
Yeah. Well traveled. Normann. Yeah. Nini hinaot. Nini hinaot. Hey.
Moving around.
Mana umiarmitukun umiha. Dua piho. Juga hani dariga. They Kakaavitortunga uunartuming aatta kaageer. Mama duahuttu. Mamaq. Erangna duahuttu aatta ihiddugu hidamittu. Nuanneeq.
For your mom. Ya, madok-madok pakung no. Ingat dakilok put. Ay.
On deck 9, we mostly have the suite. We have 3 restaurants on the ship. The others are on deck 6, which is where most of the rest of our activities are. So deck 8 is only rooms, only cabins.
Takujengarai. Aki mahukku wani. Aki.
Kayaking.
How many rooms do you have here?
Rooms, don't know the number, but we have enough for 450 passengers.
No.
And we have about 160 members of the crew.
Hey. Hello. Hi. Simahuyarok. Masasyak ketak ucit dua ata. Ay.
Let's not do that.
Apa nih masyarakat sih mana?
Ate. Eh.
Kecil aja.
Nah, akan masasyak stabik. Ay.
You were singing for us already,
Yeah.
Hello. Ay, kecil.
So right now we are on deck 6 here,
Now.
the walkway. And when you ran around on top, this is where you were. And these are our lifeboats. And then this is one of our other restaurants. Today is Indian. And a penguin on the big screen.
Banyak tabik. Kereta.
Masih?
Yes.
Mana sih?
Ah, tekceng mai pungo. Oi.
Mana sih? Apa dah?
Oi. Thank you. No nekta. Yeah. Wow. Wow, putdik.
So this restaurant is called Fridtjof.
Fridtjof.
Yes.
Mm.
So of course, no one's eaten yet, but 12 o'clock these will open for the guests. We have some old skis on the wall.
Hmm.
We'll go around to the next one.
Yes. Te neriarta piarmeqqartugut. Attaadda neriarta impeqihugut. Skärme piduunerraarm pidu. Now.
Pingahuneria nerinniarta it.
Yatsangakkut aunimu piderput auni. Atta neriarta.
So here they usually do a buffet, so you can choose what you want. The others you order from the menu. These stations are also our emergency stations. If we have to gather the guests all together, if something goes wrong and we need to get on the big orange boats, this is where we come.
Okay. Neriarta yango anginerpaaru tamanna. Hunnoryutsyven. Ahiu. Herdugo atua inuttetamaa maanillunarit attahuoqassagalaarpangumaani atatsimoqattartungorte. Ai.
Beautiful.
Ai. Ai.
Our expedition desk. So Tina, who you met earlier, she's in charge of all of our timings, making sure that all of the boats get ashore safely and on time with the right people on them. The right time.
Hello.
We have our activity room in here. We do a lot of art workshops. Our weather wall, you can see today we're very lucky with the weather. And this is our touch screen
Qaanaaq.
that shows us where we are. Of course you know, but sometimes our guests need to be reminded. So on this voyage with us on this ship, we started in Nuuk and we've come all the way up. And then we go back. We also have it on the map on the wall over there.
Wait. I got that.
Like two.
And these are other places that this ship has been to.
Wait, no.
So before we were in Greenland, we were in Iceland. And then Europe. Down through France and Portugal and Spain.
Polar bear skull. Crystal bear.
What I find most interesting is rocks. I'm a geologist, so these are my favourite maps. And then our marine biologists, we have these bone clones, so they're not real, the ones on our ship.
Una.
And we
Done.
also have, if you look on the ceiling,
Basking shark.
you see how long the different whales are. We're all the way, of course, up to our blue whale, 35 metres. We give a lot of lectures on this, and we want to teach our guests about Greenland. And this is our lecture hall in here. And then we'll go over there.
Kalarosa. Aga. Hey. Filmi qata.
So we have these two big screens here, and also on both sides that we can put our presentations on. And this is where we gather everyone every evening and tell them what we do the next day.
Ai.
People looking at me. microphone today. It's not in the drawer. It's charging.
Cute pari takujuk. Wanigo hunnoyut atatsmoqtu.
Oh, ano ka?
Na. Tugahi.
No.
Kiha. Atakho tugahi.
Nuya ko yung Wow! Ike! Is it true?
Kahakay ihirak po di. Ihirak po di. Ihirak ay. Magkika.
This is the claw.
Elephant bird egg.
Elephant per egg.
Temattortariatta hunna.
Nauna mikidua hito.
Mikitton.
Kaiyun niya ako na rin Ah!
Wala.
Yeah, you can do it. Whee!
Ew.
Sa loob moth.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
Is that good disgusting? See that one? It's creepy, scary.
Non naktori amakatta. Hanangi maneqerpa. Kola aiven as piatta pikani nuqqassutiqtali. Katsqugaahiga. Pidaannariktuartunga. Kavaayaleqattaqluimmak. Naa. Kavaayale. Nanorringuuma norrippaggata qanerai. Oi.
When?
Yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where?
Up at the sea ice edge, north of Ita.
No.
Ja. Kihaq. Kiha assiriariarruneraatsan. Pihoqarra. Now 6,6 tons. 6.450 kilo. Yes. Fridtjof Nansen nimittuut teetsingaquaanuna taphiaktakuinaaqaahi angalaasuqarta tia anuani kaat tiarriat. Unakihapiduunqa 6.450 kilo assiriayu assiria kiharra Ista. Kari paru dikakharit. Ungahirit. Kanonpa
can't
Do
see
you
it.
want it more dirty?
Yeah, we'll head back inside.
Okay. Okay.
Imat nommude Qaanaaq ano nummer 007 007 down Inaqi na
Nakay.
yeah
Kaya.
yes
On deck 4 we can see. We'll head back down. Does anyone have any questions for me about working on a ship? Or what this ship does?
ka après de yes what does the ship
Do I get seasick? I'm lucky, I don't. But some people, yes.
okay
We have the bags by the lift. You see the white bags.
oh okay
That's in case.
yeah now ini akhiangan mama tuduh itu yeah
If you want to walk down to 4, that's no problem. Or if you want to come in the glass lift, we can do that as well.
Piuhinnaarigu imaruni idivaatsooramawi 4 ramut
I'm already sweating.
unago 12 meter i hår here how many meters
12.
12 meters
Yeah.
okay now hey ayu hello no
Pinungo kingollammis niu nuuminius
aya kuta yeah
Kuda.
kuta
ema Umiarsuarmut MS Arwani skam khaw ni hiya mutakatti hakka Whatever me daughter now scam yeah okay
Yeah, sure. Oh, she's already taken some of you. Do you want to be in the picture or not? I just want to take a picture. Cheese. Lovely.
Ikia tuduh put Qaanaaq thank you so much bye
Thank you so much.
Hey. Asmina Uchiya.
Chia kayo nga. Chia kayo ba?
Ada.
Asmina
Ya. Hai.
Qaanaaq.
Ay, twin order ay. Canada mi.
Canada ay.
Ay. Pero katsulqarlik matwadi.
Qaanaaq ticket.
Eh.
Hiyamang.
Ah. Canada mingani pirutia teru nikani karir pero katsutsangaqik. Nuri hamwa buutilerput. Oi.
Aroi uanga tukumisimiga. Umiarsuarmut eqqarrauteqqagia ina lutiutitingiavu imalunne eqqarrautitlugi atlamu haalaarnilkaa nuanni haalaarnilkaa eqqarrautitlugu ha inneqattaqqarunga ivartorlunga periarpigganik umiarsuarmeeqqaartugut takornariartasa alikkarlugu takornariatsiangaarlugulu kakaavihoqlutalu kaagihoqlutalu kaagiartorlutalu takananeqqaartu nuanni haqayaaqioqitorngavu imalunni peraartangaavu nuanni haqayaaqio inequnartuliungu haaleqaluti qoyanaq nuanniukkala
Koyan.
Smile. Hannah, come this way.
Man.
There you go.
Yay.
Hey.
Kiha. Ay.
Yes.
How do you say hello?
That's a good camera.
Just hello. Hello.
Hello.
That's our language. So you say hola.
So
¿Cómo
say
está?
that again. Hen hunay.
Hey, Nahune. Inuhuinukue.
Yeah, right. It's haven't
Yeah.
seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's good.
Nahune. Inuhuinukue.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
means it's plural. But when it's just one person, it's Hey, Nahune. Inuhuarune.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
Wonderful. So you got very good English.
yeah.
Yeah, you too. Well, she's a teacher, right?
I have